Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at a stock from the Canadian market as an example of the ultimate Muathe breakout. Let's get to it. We can see here the stock jumped to 3-year highs, all-time highs on the RSI. Remember, this is a monthly, so we have that breakout there on the monthly. We see that the price also jumps just under $2. Let's call it $1.90, $1.90. And since then, stocks moved as high as $13 in under about 2 years or so. That's a big gain. I'll take that any day. I'm sure most of us will. So we see that the minimum requirement was met there beginning of 2013 during this RSI move to 3-year highs. And we can take a look at the MACDs, and they definitely don't disappoint. We can see that we are talking about this RSI move here and this price move. So draw a simple straight line just so we can have a reference point. We can see that the move to 3-year highs on the MACD took place there, and also here the MACD was close to 3-year highs right there. So at least one of our MACDs was moving to 3-year highs, so our minimum requirement was met for the ultimate Muathe breakout. Now if we take a look at the next breakout, which is clearly defined there on the monthly, here we see that the monthly RSI jumps to 3-year highs and very quickly also moves above 69.10. So there's our threshold again. Angle of penetration is very good above that threshold, and I have a lot of videos explaining why that is important. But since that breakout, which corresponds with this price breakout past that monthly closing high, we've seen the stock move from $3 again to where it's trading here at about $13. And in this example, every subsequent move in the stock above 69.10 on the monthly has led to a spike in the stock. Even here, there was a spike in the stock. So we know that understanding what happens when stocks move above this threshold is very important. Now let's take a look at this breakout that took place at the $3 level, just for the sake of crystallizing this method. Breakout in 3-year highs, all-time highs. Remember, if it is an all-time high move, it is even more powerful. So that's the breakout we are talking about there. Let's go straight down the line to see what RSI, what the MACDs were doing. And we see that at that particular point, one of our MACDs was already jumping to all-time highs there. And the main MACD was also moving to all-time highs and also moving above zero for the first time ever. So we have this breakout, first time ever move above zero, and also this breakout to all-time highs on the MACD, and of course RSIs jumping above to 3-year highs, all-time highs. Now I want to mention something here which is, not part of this video necessarily in terms of the ultimate Muathe breakout, but I just want to show you something here. We break out to all-time highs right there, which we talked about, which was around the $1 area. But if we extend that green line, we can see that even down the road, the market came and held that 50 level, and also on the green line with a double bottom there. So the same line held as support, and which corresponds to this lows here at $2. Since then, we've seen a very nice spike in the stock. So again, the ultimate Muathe breakout. Here's an example from the Canadian market. Eric Muathe, good luck, peace, and blessings. Woo!